turn up the heat with Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with our trader game. Round number 1. Score more. Barclays predicts there could be a 65% chance of a market melt up. Are you ready for a hot summer?
Summer stocks make me feel fine, knowing I'm a jazz man. But you know what? I'll tell you, this is the best of times, the worst of times for market prognosticators. It depends on who you read. I feel sorry for the general public out there. You know, we have J.P. Morgan calling for, the stock market to crash. We've got Barclays calling for a melt up in the market.
Stanley.
What are you going to do? Don't listen to them. Just tune in to the
There's always opportunity.
There's
always opportunity. Markets go up, markets go down.
Bottom line is, listen, we've had the...
We're still around. We're still around.
We're still here, and nobody thought that would ever happen.
You've been here for a while.
Nobody thought would ever happen. A lot longer. I was here, yes, a long time.
On to round number 2, grain game. Apparently there's tortilla trouble happening. What's your better buy? Yum Brands, which owns Taco Bell, or Kellogg?
Listen, this is unbelievable. Of tortillas. This is the biggest problem that Yum Brands has. This is unbelievable.
Taco Bell is running out of shelves.
I know, I'm kidding you. And why is there only Taco Bell? What about,
I know they must not have
like Chipotle or
didn't
something.
sign enough forward contracts. But anyways, I gave this question to you because you're the grain guy. You're the commodity guy.
Right.
So how could that happen, number one? And we're not even, just let's see if the yields come in low this year. Then we're going to have big taco problems next year.
Well, this is the bottom line.
Are you a flour tortilla or corn tortilla?
I like them both. But, the bottom line is when we start talking about the tortilla market, what's been happening in grain markets, we've had unprecedented news story. We've had floods. We've had famine. Seriously. And, of course, we have the U.S.-China trade war that probably caught Yum Brands, which is an international brand, off guard a little.
All right, let me get to Kellogg's. All right. Kellogg's, I thought was an opportunity. I still think it's an opportunity, even before I read deeply into this. Just looking for it technically, that's made this nice little bottom base. It made lows just a couple weeks ago, and it's got a PE around 13 or 14. So I'm always looking for stocks that haven't participated in the rally. And Kellogg's is a brand, and it's down about 20% this year. Compared that to a Dow, it's kind of like a Dow stock, but it's not in the index. But it's a old school, stodgy stock. So I like it as opportunity. But then I found out they own this alternative meat company.
Right, that's been around for a long time.
Yeah.
And the management, why isn't the management taking advantage of it?
Right.
So you like this stock. Do you like the management? Are they too
somebody can unlock it. So Beyond Meat is right now pricing at 50 times sales.
Right.
If Morningstar Brands, based on the numbers they do, if they got half of that, that would be worth $5 billion itself right there for the IPO. So Kellogg's itself is only worth $18 billion. So boom, they got like free money in their pockets they don't even know about.
So the bottom line is, and they talked to the management over there, and they didn't seem to know that they had this hot thing. Are they not reading the papers? Hello.
Round number 3, zero zone. News is out that there could be a of 3% earnings growth this time around. Are you yearning for earnings?
And whenever I hear, oh my gosh, your earnings season's going to be terrible, what happens? The market rallies because they all beat expectations.
So bad news can be good news. Because if it's bad, then we can continue to lower interest rates, which we're going to do once.
Right.
We're going to do a quarter point. That's price in the market. We're not getting a half point. Oh, you think so?
I never thought so.
Okay, well then...
I do think we might get 2 rate cuts, though, in the future because they want to get back...
That'll total up 0.5%.
That'll get back the one that they cut in December.
These will be the first rate cuts we've seen since the financial crisis.
Let's take it to our bonus round question for today. Can you name the #1 fast food chain? Is it Panera, McDonald's, or Chick-fil-A?
I'm going to say Pandora. Panera. Panera. I'm going to say Panera Bread.
Oh, guys, the answer was Chick-fil-A.
Oh, man. All right, come on. I know. Such a great
I'm the chicken expert.
Yeah, the chicken expert today got Chick-fil-A'd.
Cluck.
They Chick-fil-A'd you, buddy.
No foul play today. Thanks for being on our show. Business First AM continues right after this.